Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover a Duo mobile account. So if you've lost access to your phone or can no longer receive Duo authentication requests, then just follow along. First, try signing in using a backup authentication method such as backup codes, another enrolled device, or a hardware security key if one is available. And once you're signed in, open your security settings and reactivate Duo Mobile on your current phone. And if you can't access your account at all, then you need to try contacting your organization's IT administrator or support team. They can reset your Duo enrollment and provide a new QR code or an activation link. After reactivating Duo Mobile, you need to test your login to make sure everything is working again. So that was how to recover a Duo Mobile account. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.